Hey privacy enthusiasts, ready to dive into the world of online dating without broadcasting your personal info to the world? Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Coffee Meets Bagel using disposable numbers from MobileSMS.io. Let's keep your dating life secure and private. First up, let's talk Coffee Meets Bagel. This app is all about quality over quantity. Each day at noon, guys get up to 21 match suggestions, and women see men who've already liked their profiles. This gives women the power to choose who they want to connect with. There's also Discover Mode, where you can browse through profiles that meet your specific criteria. Cool, right? But here's the catch. Linking your profile to Facebook can expose your dating activities to your social network. Yikes. That's where MobileSMS.io comes in. They provide temporary, disposable phone numbers, so you can sign up without linking your Facebook account. Let me show you how easy it is. Step 1. Head over to MobileSMS.io. Grab yourself a temporary phone number. These numbers are valid for 10 minutes, just enough time to complete the verification process. Now, pop that number into the Coffee Meets Bagel sign-up page. Verify it and boom, you're in. No Facebook, no problem. Using MobileSMS.io keeps your personal phone number off your dating profile. Your private life stays private. Plus, their numbers work seamlessly with major verification systems, so no hiccups during sign-up. And the best part? You can keep your social media and dating life separate. No awkward overlaps. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to MobileSMS.io, grab a disposable number and get started on Coffee Meets Bagel without worrying about privacy issues. Keep your dating life secure and enjoy meaningful connections. Alright, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay private, and happy dating. Catch you in the next one.